Shoutout.
Yo, shoutout, Kid Plus, Kid Beat, Modern Makaluma.
What's up mga homies? Dito naman tayo, panonoodin natin yung leak ng AGT doon sa kanta ni Marcelito Pogoy. Doon sa Conte, Rio, at saka doon sa kanta niya na Beauty and the Beast. Ito yung sinasabi niya ng leak na nagkaparehas. Panoorin mo natin ito. Ito muna tingnan yung title ha. Guys, tingnan yung title. So panoorin natin, step natin. Panoorin natin. Tingnan mo gabi ha. Tingnan yung title, guys. Ito yung title. Marcelito Pogoy sings Conte Patiro with dual voices, America's Got Talent, the champion. Ito yung semifinals. Panoorin natin. Dito lang tayo sa kalahati. Tandaan nyo to ha, yung title tsaka yung sinabi niya na to.
Career in front
sa
of you. I really do.
Dito natin. Sinabi niya.
You've got a massive career in front of you. I really do.
Okay.
Give it up for
Ito yung semifinals. Panoorin naman natin yung Beauty and the Beast. Ito yung Beauty and the Beast. Ito. Dito naman papansin niyo. Yung pa rin eh.
Like you've got a massive career.
Pansinin niyo to. Ito. Tsaka to. Tapos dito sinabi na rin yun. Yung pa rin yung tao. Yung pa rin yung nasa likod ni Simon.
Really do.
Yung pa rin yung nasa likod.
Like, my God, he's chosen this song. That could have given you another moment because I think you've got a massive.
Tingnan nyo guys. Ito pa rin yung dalawa. Ito rin yung dalawa. Anong nangyari sa AGP?
career in front of you. I
Ayun
really
ang bahala.
do.
Like and comment naman guys. Subscribe. Thank you.